So guys, ito naman ay mga collection watches namin, no? Collection. And some of these are gifts also from our friends and students. Okay? So we will start from here. So, ito yung gift kay June.
Way back 2015.
Yeah.
And it's
So-
still my favorite.
Mhm.
What's the brand of that?
Tissot.
Mhm.
This one are my two of my favorites digital watch. Okay. And this one,
And the other one,
ito naman ay gifts, no? From
When-
our friend.
yeah, shout
Couple
out
siya,
to
actually.
Gino and Joy.
Yeah.
Gift nila
From
yan nung
Daniel
nag 40 years
Klein.
old kami.
Yeah.
Nag
And
40
then,
years old.
This one is from Thailand pa.
Yes,
Imagine
citizen.
guys. My favorite. Okay, so another is here. So ito din, no? These are my favorites. Ito naman, binili ko ito sa buy kasi naka-sale siya. Ito ay gift from me. Gift sa akin. Ito naman, yeah, we bought it here also. Rolex and Michael Kors. We have we have Fossil and Casio. Okay, and we have also here Police. This is a gift, no? Kay June. Ito Rolex, Michael Kors. So, pareho kami ni June. Actually, couple siya. With my watch also. This
Pero
one, the
seldom lang namin yan
Rolex.
sinuot.
And the Michael Kors. And pero seldom lang.
Yeah, once
During
in a blue.
occasions. And then, of course, as you can see here, guys, may bakante pa. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan pa ng panibagong collection. Sa mga gustong magbigay dyan, baka naman.
Baka naman.
May bakante pa po, 3. Willing pa po kaming tumangkap. Okay, so, ito naman, yung other collection namin, mga sports watch. So, ito, ang tagal na din ito. No? Gift din ito sa akin. From my brother. Okay. And, I have also here, Casio pala ito. No? This one is ice. Ito yung nauso dati yung ice. Ito naman ay Samsung digital kay June. Gift din sa kanya. Ito naman ay Giordano. Gift din sa kanya.
One of my favorite din. Favorite
Yeah.
din yan.
This one is digital also gift. This one is Casio. This one Casio. Gift lang din ito. At this one is Swatch. Gift also.
Yung kay Kuya Tyler, hindi niya sinali.
So yung mga collections namin from the watches.
This is not to brag, guys. This is just, to encourage watch collectors. Watch collectors.
Pero actually,
Wala.
yun nga, as what I have mentioned, or as what you have mentioned in our last vlog, no? Actually, some of these are not really expensive. We just keep it kasi nga may mga sentimental value. Yung mga bigay ng students and friends. So, kahit hindi siya gaano kamahal, but we keep it pa rin, no?
Yeah.
We give value to these things kasi nga bigay. It's the thought that counts though, pero yun nga, we love to keep it. No? It's not to brag, but we are just happy na may mga collection kaming ganito.
Yeah. And what is good, it's may mga 10 years na dyan,
Yeah.
may
More
mga
than 10
15 years na,
actually.
more than
May
10
mga more
years.
than 10 years.
Lalo na yung galing sa Thailand mo,
Yeah, itong
yung
watch
citizen mo, parang yan,
kasi
yan ang
ito yung first, actually ito
pinakaluma niya.
ito yung first watch ko guys when I go abroad.
Yeah,
So ito yung pinakaunang watch ko.
yeah. Until
Citizen.
now, ang ganda pa rin niya.
Yeah. Maano pa rin siya. It's because I took care of it talaga.
Yeah. And then marami na rin tayong mga personal watches na binigay na rin natin sa ating mga kapamilya sa
Sa
Pilipinas.
Yun yung mga watches na kami mismo ang bumili.
Yeah, because sharing is caring, guys.
So, okay lang ibigay yung mga sariling bili namin. But of course, the ones that were given to us, we have to keep them. So,
Yeah.
it's here. So, again, guys, kung sinong magbibigay, meron pa pong bakanting tatlo. Okay.
Thank you in
for
advance.
watching. God bless.